Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy FUD the PUG meme coin. Now FUD the PUG is a meme coin on the SUI network, and if you go to CoinMarketCap and check SUI is up by more than 40% in the past 1 month. So SUI network as a whole is doing a decent job, and whenever a specific chain does a decent job, usually we can see the frogs, dogs and cat meme coins on that specific chain tend to go parabolic. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. And FUD the PUG is sitting around 7.73 million market cap at the time of making this video. Now if you want to go ahead and buy FUD the PUG, you can buy it on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange, and I will be showing you both the options. So you can buy FUD the PUG on Mexc Global. Now if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can sign up on Mexc Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexc Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So the maker fee is 0% and taker fee is ranging anywhere between 0.01 to 0.02%. Now once you create an account on Mexc Global, simply go ahead and buy some USDT or transfer some USDT to Mexc Global account, and then go to spot. In the spot, go ahead and select for FUD. Now select this pair FUD to USDT and then go a bit down. Now there are two types of order for buying FUD the PUG. One is a market order meaning you go ahead and buy it at the current market price, and limit order meaning you can put a customized amount. For example, the current price is this. Let us go ahead and put 2 over here, which is like 33% less than the current market price. And simply go ahead and put the amount of USDT and click on buy FUD. Now what will happen is Mexc Global will wait for the price of FUD to fall to this level, and then your order would be executed, and then you would be getting this meme coin on your Mexc Global spot account. Now let's say if you don't want to use a centralized exchange, you can also buy FUD the PUG on decentralized exchange. So simply head to Turbos Finance, and over here you will need to go ahead and connect your SUI wallet. So I have already connected my SUI wallet, and over here you will need to go ahead and swap some SUI for FUD. Now what you can do is you can head to CoinMarketCap, copy the token or contact address, go to Turbos Finance over here, and on the top go ahead and paste the token address in order to avoid any scams. Now let's say if you want to go ahead and swap 100 SUI for FUD, then it will fetch the best price, and it will give more than 640 million FUD tokens as per the current exchange rate. Now since I don't have 100 SUI in my SUI wallet right now, that's the reason why it's not giving me the option to swap. Else the option to swap comes over here, and then you can go ahead and swap it, and within 10 seconds FUD would be reflected in your SUI wallet. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy FUD the PUG meme coin. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.